Even supermoms need a little help sometimes. We know you've got it all under control, but sometimes a special occasion like a birthday can be the proverbial straw that breaks the camel's back. Planning an epic kids party is a lot of work. It's not surprising that making a video or a slideshow of the event of the year can sometimes come as an afterthought. Did anyone take any photos? Making a birthday slideshow after the fact rarely works out because you just didn't get the right video or photo moments to tell the story. This is where we can help. Our downloadable party video checklist will tell you exactly when and where to take out your smartphone, what to film, and when to take a photo, so that you can focus on watching the smile on your little one's face. You too can make memories shareable. Supermom does it again. Click through to download the free birthday party checklist.